Hi everyone, my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm going to be sharing two new Dollar Tree DIYs that I made extremely easy, budget friendly, and they're going to be for Christmas with a modern look, and I really love how these projects turn out and I hope that you like them too. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video, and let's get started. Okay guys, for the first project I'm going to be using this round mirror that I bought in Dollar Tree, and I really love it because it's a little bit bigger than the one that Dollar Tree usually always has. And the first thing I did was to remove the mirror very carefully to be able to paint it with some spray paint in white ultra matte color. Once the paint is dry, you can use any marker and a roller if you want to make straight lines, or maybe you can use these black thin tape that I bought in Amazon, and it works amazing. I has worked in so many projects with this tape and I really like it, so in the description I left the link of this product just in case that you want it. I'm going to be gluing this tape as straight as possible and trying to leave an inch of separation between each one, and after I was done with that I did the same in the other direction to form a pattern of squares. Once your mirror is ready, you can place it back in the round black frame. Now, to decorate this sign, I'm going to be using this wooden Mary ornament. It comes in a set of 5, I think, from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue it with hot glue on one side of my sign. Then I'm going to add a little bit of color and texture to this project, so I'm going to be using 2 pieces of these pine picks and some berries. Guys, many stores like Walmart and Big Lots are bringing decoration with this type of pattern, and I really love it. It is very modern and neutral, and this is a really easy and budget-friendly way to recreate those decor pieces with Dollar Tree items. For the next project, I'm going to be using 2 of these, they're like tag ornaments, also from Dollar Tree. And the first thing I did was to sand all the glitter on the letters with my sanding sponge to avoid any mess later. I always do this with the Dollar Tree signs. From there, I'm going to be removing the red ribbon that they come with, and I will be painting the 2 tags on the back side with my Waverly chalk paint in black color. I decided to use black color. I really like it, and it's neutral and modern, but you can use any color that match with your decor for this Christmas. Once the paint was dry, I decided to use sandpaper and sand the edges of the sign to give my project a little bit more dimension. From there you can use the red ribbon that these ornaments brought, or maybe you can use any one that you have at home. I really like this one, and I just cut 2 pieces and I glue them to the bottom of each tag to give it a nice touch. Now I'm going to be gluing these 3 ornaments that I get from Dollar Tree in a set of 2, and I will be gluing each one with hot glue on each of the signs. The same ribbon that I used before, I will place it on the hole of each tag, but I'm going to cut them one bigger than the other one because I want that my tags can hang in different levels. You can hang these tags from a wreath if you want. I'm going to be reusing this bow that I have from last year and I really like it, and I'm just going to tie the ribbon of the tags on the back of my bow. Like I said, I am reusing this bow that I made last year and I already had, but it is very easy to do, so let me know in the comments if you like a video of how to DIY this type of bow. I don't know, just in case that you are interested. And then you can hang it on a window, the wall, or a door, and this will be the result. Another DIY, super easy, with a modern look for Christmas. I really hope that you like the ideas in today's video and that you have a fun time with me. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps, really helps to support my channel. And let me know in the comments which of these 2 DIYs was your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages. The links are going to be in the description box, as well as my webpage and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. Mwah! Thank you so much guys, and see you on my next video. Bye!